Hello, meetings. Teams without meetings, it's impossible, of course. So, this is meeting, okay? So meetings. So the concept, with Teams is very nice because really you can, meet, do a meeting with your colleagues, business partners, salespeople, customer, and it's virtually anywhere. You can start it with here. You can invite people who are in iOS, Android. So it's very, very nice. So you have three aspects: collaborative, multi-modal, global, and instantaneous. And we can organize two types of meeting: private or team. Team for all the people who are in the team, or private just for you and me. And you can schedule it or you can do ad hoc. So here, if I go in my teams here, I can say, okay, all the people who are actually here, I can do now a meet now. Okay, if I do meet now, I can schedule a meeting if I want. If I don't want to do a meet now, here, see? Or I can, like I told you here, do a meet here. If I do a meet now here, let's do, for example, a PowerShell. Let's do PowerShell. Oh shit. Oh, so sorry. PowerShell training. And I can do meet now. And I can run it. My camera, actually, you don't see it because it's used by my software, okay, to do the invitation. So I can do dismiss here. I can do that to stop it, okay? So so that's really very nice. Or you can do by chat, okay? By chat, for example, if you are running a chat with somebody like this, chat here, you can do, for example, a meeting here. So if I go here and I do schedule a meeting here, or I can, do all what I want here. So I can here, for example, do a video call. Okay, so if I do a video call, I'm calling here. So if I go here, I see that now Fabrice is calling. So I can accept it if I want. And now I speak. Okay, okay. So hold on. Discard change. Sorry. No microphone. Okay, so this is very, very simple. Doing meeting, it's one of the most simple thing here. Of course, be aware that here you have your meeting policies. You have your meeting policies, so you can change it or you can use some of them. It's like a template. And in the meeting policies, you can go here and say in general, audio, video, turn on and off all this feature here. It's very, very nice. You can do so meeting setting here, the logo URL, the network, quality of services here, the starting port, a lot of things. You have live event policies for very big live event policies, for example, or you can do live event setting. Okay, so all this is in the meeting policies. Okay, so simple, really. Wow, amazing. Okay, and here are the policies I just talked about. So it's very simple. Okay, just some slide on the policies. Thank you. We'll see after all what is audit and report. Ciao, ciao.